Hi, I'm Karen Barrett. I'm a banking manager for Lloyds and a business connector for Westminster. Let me show you how you can improve your company's standing in the local community.
I'm Simon Price. I'm a lawyer at DWF and I'm a business connector in Liverpool. Pick me so that I can show you the importance of community investment in a corporate law firm.
I'm Sonia de la Fuente. I'm an HR business partner at Fujitsu and I'm a business connector in North Manchester. I'd like to show you how being a business connector can really help your career development, so pick me.
Hi, my name's Andy White and I'm Head of Community Affairs for Sainsbury's. I'm currently a business connector for Milton Keynes. Pick me and you'll see through my eyes what I do every day and all the learnings and expertise I'm taking back to Sainsbury's.